you. You're up. Yeah, come back you up on this one. You get this. Here, come on from there.
Alex is red.
No, they're not at this table. You ready to coach? Can you go down and ask?
Okay, guys, it's 4 minutes. Is that right? Okay, guys, it's going to be 4 minutes.
4 minutes, cool.
Split lots. Okay, nothing, no submissions, blows and knees. Okay, you guys, shake hands, please. Ready?
Pace, Bryce. Get your hands up. Come on, Bryce. You're good.
Come on, Bryce.
All right, Alex.
Come on, Alex.
That's right. There you go, Bryce. Good down. Push the head down.
Guillotine.
Push the head down and spin to the back. Push the head down, spin to the back.
No, he's got it, Alan.
You got it.
Put him in the guard. Sit down, put him in the guard. Sit down and put him in the guard.
Very good, Bryce. Very good.